Hey, what's up, guys? It's Zakwan here. So, I know what you guys are thinking. Wow, Zakwan, long time no see, man. What happened to you? Well, obviously you can see I've been home the whole time. But anyways, that's not the point. Before I start this video, I just wanted to say I hope you guys are doing well and fine, and I miss you guys. It's been quite a while since I had proper interaction with a lot of people. But even so, I've been kind of enjoying staying at home, which goes into this video. I am gonna build my own first custom keyboard. So you might be thinking, Zakwan, what's a custom keyboard? So essentially, it does all the functionalities of a normal keyboard, but with the exception of the word custom. So what custom means is that you can mod it out, in terms of the switches, keycaps, the actual hardware, the PCB, and so on. It's quite spontaneous, and I'm just gonna go with it. It's not really professional made, like I'm not gonna jump into the specs or explain you how a custom mechanical keyboard works or how the switches work, all the nonsense of like actuation force, bumpy, clickiness, talkiness, bonginess. That's the TLDR. I actually forgot to mention, what are you gonna watch in this video? So essentially what you're gonna watch is my short journey of building my first ever custom mechanical keyboard. And you will go through the journey with me, a lot of it done within this next few days, 2 days. But yeah, enjoy the video. Shoo!
This region E and F are events that can occur, or they can be responsible.
He's not working. Anime is such a popular hobby for Japanese
Use the overall effectiveness of the HOLEE Mod. So once you've cut the back, stabilizer step until everything.
Oh, new record! Let's go! Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Oh. So good. Hi guys, so thank you for watching this video, and here are just some of my final conclusions about the keyboard. Essentially, this build is quite an entry level for new beginners such as me, and it's a good entry level in terms of price as well, for those who just wants to begin in the hobby, you know. But unfortunately for me, I'm not really gonna be spending a lot in terms of making this as a huge hobby. You know, I'm not going to start my own collection, although I am a keep still. I do watch lots of videos online about how to build keyboards, more new keyboards, you know. But it was quite expensive, but I know this is gonna last for quite a long time. So yeah, and you know, I think it's very good to have a new thing that you're interested in, a new hobby, and definitely worth saving up money to buy this, because you know, I've been waiting for this for quite a long time now. It's really heavy, but it's really nice. The switches are amazing. I just can't get over it, man. It's like crazy. Yeah. I did post my review, a short review, on my Instagram story. I give it a rating of 8.6 out of 10. I swapped out the aluminum plate for the polycarbonate plate. I use Durock L7 linear switches. I have the Coral C keycaps. You know, this is still kind of cool. I looped the stabilizers and swapped them out from the main one that it originally came out with. GMMK had goat stabilizers, but I swapped them out for Durock stabilizers because it's more smoother, and modding that one out was like chef kiss, you know. And yeah, I HOLEE modded the stabilizers. Oh, the RGB on this is amazing. And yeah, you know, I don't really know how else to end this. Just gonna showcase my keyboard. Ta-da! Anyways, yeah. Thank you for watching the video. I'm sorry if I took more than your time. You probably just wasted a lot of minutes watching this, which is kind of pointless. But you know, thank you. Shows your support. And stay safe and take care. Zoom out.